Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our 72 by 96 Hills full arch door today. All right guys, so we're on the Hills 72 inches, which is, it measures from outside to outside, and then 96 inches tall, which is from all the way to the top of the peak. I'm not gonna jump to the bottom of the threshold. Beautiful door, guys. So this is actually a spin-off of our other door, which is called the Beverly. My brother named it the Hills. I'm sure you know why, but the Beverly door has the kick plate on the bottom. This is what we always talk about in our videos, that we can actually eliminate the threshold on the bottom, take it all the way down if you want that. Well, we've been getting so many requests on this door to do that, so we're like, you know what, let's just add it to our inventory. It's just another, couple hundred doors to stock, but it's that popular that we're actually doing it. Awesome door. These are all solid pickets that we're using. So there's a solid piece of metal that is heated, welded, bent, the whole works of an artisan. This is 12 gauge steel, and the lower the number on the steel, the thicker the steel is, okay? Remember that. It's just like a wire. Wires, the lower the number, a 0 is the thickest wire, and then a 20 is a very thin wire. So it's exactly how a gauge system works. So this is a door that we're actually using 4-inch tubes instead of 6-inch tubes to get a larger piece of glass in. So we use a smaller tube to get a larger piece of glass in, and then we bump it up in this area so it can actually accept a regular lock that you can buy from Home Depot or Lowe's, or us if you like. Nobody's limited on anything. This is an oil rub bronze color. This is rain glass, has texture to it. Okay, when you run your fingers, you actually feel it. Full arch door. We also make this door in multiple different shapes. We have it in, you'll see it on the website. There's a lot of different shapes to it if you like. We make this in single, double, and if you want to add side lights or whatever craziness you want to do, we're capable of doing it. But standard bore holes. You can also add a metal handle if you like, and just a deadbolt. Metal handle as in the solid metal handles that you can get. You can't get, we have to make, but they're handmade handles we can put on there. And then you can use a deadbolt, because all of our doors have roller catches, which are little spring-loaded catches that latch onto the door. One-piece threshold, so it comes with the actual frame, unless specified otherwise. Some of our doors do have thresholds that remove. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna spin this beautiful door around and show you guys what the other side looks like, okay? All right, so we're on the back side of the Hills door. Show you guys how the glass opens. Untwist the knobs. Flick it over, glass opens up. Again, all of our doors have dual seals. A seal on the actual, a rubber seal on the actual glass, another one on the door. Also, this bottom piece of our doors is sloped down, so it's got a little bit of slope, so if water hits, it dripples down and not inside the house. Worst is if the water sits there, and it'll, obviously water and metal just don't mix, so over time it'll rot out. So that's why we did that, so we prevent any kind of corrosion that could happen over time. Over time, I mean 10, 20, 30 years from now. So did I tell you guys you can get different glass? Well, you can get different glass. Also, it comes in different colors if you like. We stock oil rub bronze, And we have on our special order site, so if you all the way on top of the door, it'll say in stock, special order, custom order. Special order, you can actually pick different kinds of color if you like, and different kind of glass if you like, and it will make the door to whatever specifications you have entered. White stuff is grease. Guys didn't wipe it down, not a big deal. So these little grease nipples on top is how you insert grease into the hinges. That's pretty much it, guys. If you guys have any questions, contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's info@pinkysiron doors.com. Or you can contact us at 844-843-6677. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one.